Okay, hey guys, we're having a night edition of Thunderstorm.
Hello.
So this is the third time.
You're alive.
So you'll see some lightning.
You're alive.
I'm over here.
I'm glad. I'm glad you're alive. I was worried. Not allowed. You have to take the phone with you. I do. So laundry's done, I'm guessing? Did you change it?
Oh my
Alright.
god! Whoa, that was at the front! Guys, okay,
Alright.
it's 9:09, okay? PM.
Of course, we had to have dinner.
We are having crazy lightning right now. Oh!
And then,
whoa! Okay, did you see that?
So we just left McHenry.
There's supposed to be light at the top.
I'll be there as soon as I can get there. Alright.
Oh! Oh my god, it was at that side. Why's it flickering? I know, because there's trees around. Oh wait, there's one right there too. Henry is saving bank.
That's not okay.
Oh!
I keep feeling like I have to turn, but I don't because I'm on the right street already.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my god, it was at that side. Oh! Oh my god!
I mean, okay, so she got the text from me. And then I said to her, I ordered you a pair of
Okay. Oh!
jeans.
Okay, are you a fan of thunderstorms?
Oh, okay.
You will see a bunch of lightning. You will see a bunch of lightning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
If I had said no, I got this, she still would have been.
Oh, okay. Did you see that? Okay. If you can't see me, then I'll just be okay. Okay. Did you guys see that? Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh! Amazing! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Okay, you see lightning like right here. There's a lot of flashes over here. Okay, sorry guys, but it's 20 battery remaining. Oh! Oh my god! Okay, guys, it's gonna keep flashing on this side. Oh, whoa! It was actually at that side. Oh!
I saw lightning over there. I saw lightning over there.
Oh my god! There's a lightning strike over there. Oh!
I'll get hers. You'll get mine. I'll order yours later.
Whoa!
You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god!
I was like, this will be a lot better.
Oh my god, bro! Oh my! Oh gosh! Oh! Whoa! That was so much better light. It's blowing one time each other. That's why I'm doing that.
I have no idea what yours is. Not 8 feet. I kind of knocked it out of the park on her birthday, so
Oh!
it tells me every time I talk to her. Well, she just spent, you know, a week in
Wait,
bed,
did I just saw a ball? Did I just saw a ball light?
Now they dropped the price to 170.
Oh! Oh my god. Okay, best thunderstorm ever. Oh! Whoa.
Oh, I thought it was something.
No. That's like, are you having a Long Island? I'm like, no. She's like, what's that? I'm like, it's half iced tea.
Oh, gotcha. That's
I'm
right.
like, I don't do alcohol. She's like, okay. And walked away. I'm like, sorry.
Well, she wanted to do the steak carnitas for 2 or whatever. I mean, that sounds good. She goes, oh, it's got green peppers. And I said, can you ask him to do those on the side?
Okay, here we go. Let's see lightning.
I said, oh, you don't want that because I remember your throwing green peppers. I had sausage and peppers in the morning. I didn't think.
Now be a time to see lightning.
I said, I might have lost one anyways. Because, you know.
When he's like,
Oh! Oh my god, there's a ball right there. There's a ball lightning over there. It was a round circle.
what? Like,
Oh!
like,
Sideways lightning.
like, I don't care about it. Like, the only thing I
Sideways lightning.
and
Oh.
even then, it's like,
Gymnastics.
yeah.
And men's figure skating.
I'm like, yeah. I'm like, the only sport I ever hear about really is volleyball sometimes, but not even all the time.
Not to watch it.
No, well, that's what I'm talking about. Like to watch, I'm like volleyball sometimes, but I have to have some kind of
Too much
gymnastics,
lightning.
and I just don't most of the time, except for like the Olympics, you know.
Yeah, well, it was interesting to watch like Logan Tom play and Stacey Segura just because I knew them.
Right? Yeah.
But
What town are we in?
just like
Still Lake.
Not even like close. I'm like,
Oh, God.
I'm like, God, no, baseball is so boring. She's like, where did I go wrong? It's like you're not even my child.
because you're not. I'm my mother's child who also gets all this crap.
Is that by a Bartlett?
No. We won't be back to my house till about 10 o'clock, okay? So here's the clock. 9:17. Why don't you just go to sleep?
You can go to sleep. I'll check if I see any lightning. You know. Yeah.
For somebody who cares not even a little bit about baseball, I might have like a slightly larger allegiance to the Cubs and
Same.
such just because of
Ooh.
where I live.
His dad.
I mean, like, because I live in Wrigleyville, but
Yeah.
but either way, I still don't care about baseball. So,
Okay, I think you'll see lightning over here.
It's interesting to talk politics with Beth about this. You know. She's having a really hard time. I'm sure because she's
Oh, God, no. Okay, that was a big light of flash.
I took a huge step and I voted for the Democratic people in one of the elections about states.
Oh, was over there.
Of course,
You know, some other people. So, you know, hey, it's a step.
Yeah.
Because you have to, I don't think it has to be so cut and dry one way or